Hello students, welcome to Suraj School Bhiwadi. Today we are going to discuss exercise 8.4. As you know that we have discussed 15 questions of this exercise. So today we will discuss from question number 16. Okay, so let's start. A steamer goes downstream and covers the distance between two ports in 4 hours. It covers the same distance upstream in 5 hours. If the speed of the stream is 2 km per hour, find the speed of steamer in still water and the distance between the two ports. So beta, what is asked in the question, we will take it as x. So the what is asked in the question, speed of steamer. So let speed of steamer speed of steamer in still water, let us assume as x kilometer per hour. Now speed of steamer upstream. So beta, when downstream add and when upstream minus. So when we find out speed of steamer in upstream means in the same direction. Okay, in the same direction water is flowing as well as the steamer. Then x minus 2 km per hour, you have to take the speed, and speed of steamer in downstream. Speed of steamer in downstreamer is x plus 2 km per hour. Okay, so now you will have in the downstream, remember that there will be sign of plus. Now the question is, steamer goes downstream and cover the distance in 4 hours. So what is the formula for speed beta? Speed is equal to distance upon time. Okay, now a steamer goes downstream and cover the distance in 4 hours. So the speed is, you take a screenshot of this, I am removing it. Okay. Now you know that the speed, upstream speed you have. What are the upstream speed? I have told you that is x minus 2. And the downstream speed we have, that is x plus 2. Now both are taking the same distance. Formula for distance is speed into time, and here also speed into time, because they are covering the same distance. Here the speed is x minus 2 and the time is 4. Now in the downstream the speed is x plus 2 but the time is 5. So multiply 4x minus 8. Downstream, in downstream the time is 4. Okay. And in the upstream the time is 5. In the upstream the time is 5. So upstream the speed is minus 2. Okay. Now 5x minus 10. Solve it. 5x minus 4x is 1x. Minus 8 plus 10 is plus 8 plus 18. Okay. In the downstream the time is 4 hours. And in the downstream the speed is x plus 2. And in the upstream the speed is x minus 2. So here you will get the speed, that is 18 km per hour. You have to find out the relative speed in the downstream and the upstream. Now question number 17. If 5 by 4 times a number results in the value of a number increasing by 10, find the number. Again, if 5 by 4 times a number gives a number increasing by 10, so solve it. 5 by 4, here it is x, take the LCM. Okay beta. Now 5x minus 4x is x upon 4. So from here what do you get? X is equal to 40. So x is equal to 40 is the answer. Now question number 18. Question number 18 is, the side of one square is 3 cm longer than that twice the side of second square. One square is given, another square is given, one square side is 3 centimeter longer than the twice the side of another. Let it be x. So twice the side 3 centimeter longer. Okay, this is the smaller square, side is x. Now twice the side and 3 centimeter more. The difference in their areas is 144. So what is the area of the square? A square. What is the area of small square? Small a square. 144. The area here is a, here it is small a. Now the side is 2x plus 3 and here the side is x. So side square formula you apply and then do the calculation, you will get the answer. Use the algebraic identities and your answer will come. Now question number 19. Sita and Geeta start walking from the same point on the road. Okay, this is the road and they started from the same point on the road but in opposite direction. Okay, one is Sita moving suppose in this direction and one is Geeta suppose it is moving in another direction. If Sita walks at the speed of 5 km per hour and Geeta walks at the speed of 4 km per hour, in how much time will they 27 km apart? So distance is given, speed when they are coming to each other, then it is a case of downstream. When they are in opposite to each other, speed will be added. So relative speed will be 9 km per hour. Okay, now the time, formula for time is equal to distance upon speed. So distance is 27, speed is 9, so time is 3 hours. In this manner you have to do this question. Now question number 20. Question number 20, an altitude of a triangle. Let us take a triangle. This is the altitude. It is 5 by 3 times the length of the base. So let the base is x. So it is 5 by 3 times of base. Now if the altitude is increased by 4, if altitude is increased by 4 and the base is decreased by 2, the area will remain the same. Okay, I have increased 4 and decreased by 2. Area is same. So beta, what is the area of the triangle? Area of triangle is half into base into height. So half, base is 5 by 3, base is x and height is 5 by 3x, and when we change altitude, we increase by 4 and base is reduced by 2, then it is this. So now do the calculation. 5x square upon 6. Okay, 1 by 2, take LCM, 5x plus 12, x minus 2, 2 3 is 6, 2 3 is 6 cancelled. Now 5x square is here and you do the multiplication of these two binomial. 5x into 5x is 5x square, then minus 10x, then plus 12x, then minus 24. Solve this equation and then you will get x. You will get base, then you will find out the altitude. And the last question of this exercise 21, that is the distance between two stations. There are two stations, the distance between them is 482 km. Two trains start simultaneously from these stations on parallel tracks. Okay, and they cross each other. Speed of one of them is greater than other by 4 km. Let the speed is x. Here the speed is x plus 4 km per hour. And if the distance between the two train after 3 hours is 20 km, the distance is given, that is 20 km after crossing, and the time is 3 hours. So if this is the speed, then what will be the distance after 3 hours? The distance will be 3x. If the speed is this, what will be the distance after 3 hours? That is 3x plus 4. And the distance between them is 20 km and total is equal to 482. So this is 3x plus 3x plus 3 4s are 12 plus 20 is equal to 482. Solve this linear equation and you will get answer of x. So dear students, I have given only the hint of how to prepare the linear equations. Rest you will solve. I have also shared the PDF of this with you. So you complete this exercise. Thank you so much. God bless you all.